Away they go. Hot gossip from the outside, burning glow in the middle, running down on the inside, Loretta, Mr. G, super elegant, is the early trailer. Burning glow by Sam, two lengths followed by Loretta. Hot gossip is racing third by a length and a half, Mr. G, super elegant. As they round the 3/4 mile distance, burning glow by a length and a half, Loretta in second. Hot gossip racing third from the outside, and super elegant is now running in fourth by some 4 lengths by the rallies Mr. G. As they move towards the bags, two runners, now three runners fighting it out for the lead. Loretta in the middle. Hot gossip is racing from the outside and now grabbing the lead. At Gossips now the leader, this time by Sam Tulex, burning glow. Loretta is racing in third, super elegant, getting closer in fourth by Sam Tulex, Mr. G. Rounding the far turn, the favorite Hot Gossip, this time by about 3 lengths. Super elegant taking the second spot, Loretta and burning glow. As they race the last 450, Hot Gossip by Sam Tulang, super elegant, Loretta in third. As they race the last 250, Hot Gossip by Sam Tulang, super elegant, is running in second. Burning glow, Loretta, Mr. G, and ring the last 100 meters more to run. Hot Gossip still leading by some 2 lengths, and finally Hot Gossip, super elegant, Loretta, Mr. G, and burning glow comes last to complete the arrival.